Hey guys, D4 here, and today we're gonna Ice Cream Simulator, and I'm sorry I haven't uploaded for like pretty long time because my OBS for some reason it's like dead now. Rest in peace OBS. It's not working for me. Now I have to go back to the old recorder, but it's a box recorder. At least you guys can actually. So yeah, I'm sorry to upload, but well, here's a new video. So today we're playing Ice Cream Simulator, and a little bit. So yeah, where am I gonna go? Well, actually, see over here, I need to get to. Well, I can empty right now, but okay, so I get a lot of money. Look at the dude up here. 1,230,870. Wait, he's in like the billion. There's also an exploit that you can use. It's on We Are Devs if you don't have. It's a pretty nice exploit. I use it a lot. Well, like if I wanna on like broken, but yeah. Alright, I need to go to the challenges. Challenges. Okay, over here. Well, these are the stages, but there's challenges inside, so. My present. I'm gonna do Frankenstein's quest. In laboratory, Frankenstein give quest. Do quest for award. So much grammar. Wow. Get notifications. Okay, I'm pretty sure. Alright, let me check my quest. 600. Alright. Because it doesn't really block anything, so yeah, I'll keep it up. Lag? Okay. I wish OBS still works. That's the one thing I really hate. Oh god. I've done this quest before. Why am I not licking my like 500 million feet tall ice? By the time I get to 10K, it's gonna be so. How do you even eat this much ice cream? What's weird about it is that, you know how you're supposed to eat ice cream down? Well, when you eat ice cream, it builds up all the up to there, and I can't zoom, can't kind of wait. Oh god. But look, I'm only at 1.33K. That's gonna take a little bit. I don't know. Once OBS works, I might play some Fortnite for some videos, but once I get OBS working, then I'll do it. I hear that my brother's room, I think he's making a video, I don't know. But gamer, he has a couple of videos, but he doesn't use, like, he uses the Roblox recorder. I could actually hear his voice. Well, you can find videos that I made, like the vlog things that I made. Yeah, I'm playing this game for a little while. They want me to play Vehicle Simulator. I could do anything on Roblox. Anything you guys want below. I got a keyboard a few days ago and a new mouse. So I completed the quest. I'm gonna do Dracula now. It's fine night for a strollin', eh? A fine night indeed for a scoop of ice cream. Bring me some ice cream, I'll reward you, my dear boy. Coins I need this time. I could still the purple coins. Oh, this is gonna be a long time. What was that? Sorry guys, I'm like a little cold right now because it's cold. Oh, I have 2.4. Why does it keep lagging like that? Still laggy while you guys are watching it right now, but on my screen, I don't know if it's just the tab open or what. It's like some stuff here. It's like sometimes instantly and sometimes it's just like that. It just like lags behind. I have so hear my mouse and keyboard right now. It's pretty close to my keyboard and mouse. Just my headphones right now, or if you guys could hear it. Ooh, look, beautiful. I don't know if that actually counted, but I can go and set my speed to 500 and go everywhere. I think I'm an expert. Okay. Somehow completes the quest. Oh my god. Sorry, I had to wait. I want to at least complete this challenge before the video ends. But for right now, I'm just getting back on my feet with recording video in, like, I don't know, like 7 months. It's crazy. That's why I'm just doing easy stuff right now, because I'm getting back into the habit of recording. Alright, I have 3.18k. Well, by the time I get over there, I'm probably gonna have, yeah, see? Numbers are going up. Oh, and there's some codes. There's, I'm pretty sure it's like Frosty or something like that. Look at that, 3K. Alright, I'm gonna go to the, look how tiny my ice cream is. I'm gonna do, that's for my back. I'm gonna do flavors. What should I get? Royal Neon, sell value 30. I need, oh my gosh. I kind of want Neon. Then I would have to 3K. I'm just gonna go to, alright, waffle. Unlock whip skin. Alright. Wait, how do I make this? Special flavors. Unlock for, what? Ew. Aqua Dope Berry. What is, how do I unlock, what? Pet Prestige? Wow. Prestige at pet level right now. My pet level is level 1? How do I get XP? Comment down below, guys, if you know how to get it. Because, did you see how much I hold? Look at my quest. Okay. Red one. There's presents all along the ground. A different area? Because I think they have more of the red ones there. Gem. I like how it's just one gem, the image, but you like 3 or 4 gems. The hiccups, I just went to eat pizza. Terror Portal. 75k. Wow, I have none of these. 1095. Alright, so I can't go in this one. I can go in this one. I think this is parkour. Yeah, this is parkour. Okay. Right or left? I think I'm gonna go Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh. I think my brother's playing Fortnite right now. What? Okay. What is happening? Wait, I'm gonna... I don't know what the heck that sound was. Lag. More lag. Okay. Jump up here. Gosh. Oh. Oh! Really? Right. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, because it's floating. I choose you. Alright. What just happened? Question mark, question mark. Really? What did I just do? Oh my god, Grayson's playing. Yeah, Grayson's playing Fortnite. Yep. He's playing. Shout out to Evan. I've known him since preschool. Nick, my friend Lucas. Shout out to all those people. Yeah, lag. Guys, I think I'm gonna end it off here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. Actually, no. And subscribe to the channel.